Hello, my Sudoku friends. Yes, welcome today in the additional with extra Sudokus. We have here 8 Sudokus, I believe. Yes, in today's newspaper on Tuesday, November the 24th, 2020. Yes, we have here Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, a tectonic with 1 star, a tectonic with 4 stars, binary number 1, and a binary number 2. So total of 8 extra Sudokus, and I won't do them all, only do 4 Sudokus. A 3 stars Sudoku and a 4 star Sudoku, a tectonic and a binary. I will solve them in this edition. Yes, in this edition, the Sudoku with 3 stars. This will be number 1 and 9 and 2 7. Yeah, we're going to the 2000. Wow. In those 2 years, I have upload so many Sudokus to the channel. Yes. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me count them. I have not counted them yet. We have here 4. Here also 4 plus 2 is 10. 11 plus 2 is 13, plus 3 is 16. 16 plus 3 is 19, plus 3 is 22, plus 3 is equal to 25. 25, always the 3 stars has always 25 printed digits. Alright. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? Pick. How about the 1 in this column? The 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the last row. 1 in the row above. So in that row, only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, only place for the 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 1. Let me see. How about the number. 3 in the first column, a 3 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. In this column, we have now 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see there 4 in this big square, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Now we have 2 missing numbers in the third column. Those numbers are the 9 and the 6. The 9 and the 6 are missing. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Then two, three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see there a 5 in the second column, so no 5 in those two boxes. One box left for the 5. Should be there. Two boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Well. Let me see. Which number can I pick? 4 in the first column. 4 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only place for a 4 should be here. 6, 7, 9, 2, and 8. Alright. 1999. Let me see. 9, 4. I need a 4 and a 5. Interesting. Yes. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. We see there are 4, so no 4 in those 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. So we have a 4 in the last column, a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only place for a 4 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 4. How about 9, 7, 8? I need a we have a 2 in this row, a 2 in the row below. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Alright. 5, 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between, only place for an 8 should be there. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 7 and 3. We have a 7 there, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Here we have also a match, a pair, 3 and a 7 in this row, 3 and a 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those. It's a pair. That means that 1 box left in this big square should be the number 5. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9. Let me mark those for you. It's a pair. The other pair in this big square should be the 6 and the 5. Let me mark them again because it's a pair and I cannot fill this yet. Alright, in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in those 3 boxes. There's 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, only place for a 6 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 7 and the 9. Let me mark those for you. It's a pair. That means in this row, in this column, these 2 boxes are left for the numbers 9 and 2. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark them again. 2 and a 9. A lot of pairs, I expect. So how about those 2 numbers? in the third row, the 4 and the 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see there 5. No 5 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. The 3 is missing in this big square. The 8 is missing in this big square. And the number 4 is missing in this big square. 3, 8, 4. 3, 8, 4. And look, we have a 4 and an 8 here. So no 4 and an 8 in this box. The 4 and an 8 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those. 1 box left for the 3. Alright. 4, 8, 7, 9. So this should be 7 and 9. We have a 9 here. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 7 goes in there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 9. 8 and a 9. No, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Because the 8 is in this column. The 9 is in the other column. And the 3 in the other column. Yes. If 2 numbers in a column, then I can match a number. But I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Need to wait. We have a 3 in this row. A 3 in that row. So in the middle row, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be there. We have a 9 here. This cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be a 4. And this should be a 9. Now we have a 4 here, so this can't be a 4 anymore. This should be an 8, and this should be a 4. 1 box left in this column for the number. 7 is missing. Yes, 7 is missing. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 9. We see here 9, no 9 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 here, so this can't be 9 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 9. 1 box left in this column for the number 5. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. Then 5, 2, 8. Let me see. Now we have a 7 here. So this can't be a 7 anymore. This should be a 7, and this should be a 3. 3 in this column. 3 in the column next. So in the last column, only place for a 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 9 and the 8. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. The 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 9 and 5. We have there 5, no 5 there. And here comes the 5, and there goes the 9. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 2 and the 8. I cannot fill this yet. How about those 2 numbers in this row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7 and the 8. Yeah, we have an 8 there. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 8 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. How about those 8 and the 2? Cannot fill this yet. How about these 2 numbers, the 2 and the 6? Wow. Did I make a mistake? Why can I not fill this puzzle? 2, 8, and 6. Oh, we have an 8 here, so this cannot be. I've made a mistake. I made a mistake. This cannot be a 9. This should be a 2 and a 8. Oh. This should be an 8. 8, 8. This should be an 8. We have there an 8. I hope this is correct. So we're missing the 9, yes. So we have a 9 here, 9 there. So we're missing the 9 and the 6. We have there 9, no 9. The 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 6 and the 2. We have the 6 here, no 6 there, 6 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left, 2 and the 8. We have there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 2 goes there. Mistake. Wow, but I've recovered. And the puzzle seems correct. 999, yes, 999. Alright. Finish in 50 minutes. Alright, with a little mistake. I like the Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up? Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you later with the second Sudoku, a 4 stars Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye for now.